if you are running a photography business, if you want to start your photography business, please, you don't need these three things to start. First of all, you don't need a logo. Yes. Now, listen to this. You are starting a photography business. You don't need a logo to start. Really, you do not need a logo to start. When I started out as a photographer, I was always thinking about logos. I was always looking for what people would identify me with. But then I was just focusing on the wrong things. And thing number two, you do not need a website. Many photographers, top photographers, all right, today do not even own websites. Why? Because maybe they don't think it's necessary. Yes, maybe they don't think it's necessary. But then another school of thought will say you need a website. But then if you're just beginning, you are still testing waters, you do not need it at this time. Go ahead and make photos. Thing number three, you do not need social media to be in business or to be, social media is an addition. It's the icing on the cake. It's not the real cake. All right. I ask photographers when I talk to them and ask them that how many clients have you landed so far using social media? This year from January 1st to July 18th, July 19th. I don't know. How many clients have you landed so far from January to July? And they go like one or two, but they don't get consistent clients from social media. So what I do tell them is that why don't you just focus on where you are getting your clients from and make it bigger and bigger. That way you tend to earn more, right? It is the smart thing to do. So already I've told you that you don't need a logo, you don't need a website, you don't need a social media to build or start your photography business. So then what do you need? You need customers. That is it. You need customers to run your business. If you can't get one customer without those, it means nobody wants your product or service. If you can't get a customer without a logo, you can't get a customer without a website, and you can't get a customer without a social media, then it means that nobody just wants your product. Maybe you have bad product or your services are bad or something. So please, you don't need these things. Don't beat yourself up. Don't be thinking too much about the name of your brand or something just now. If you're starting out, please, just focus on creating images, landing clients, and then these things come later. See you in the next one.